Hello everyone, welcome back to the Python programming series of video shorts. Today we are going to see how we can just add suffix to the return value by the help of decorator in Python program. So we are just going to create out a decorator with the name as add suffix, okay, which is going to take a function as a parameter. We are going to create out a decorator, a def function just to decorate our result, okay, which is going to take two arguments. One would be the positional argument and another one would be the keyword argument. And here we are going to just store a result by passing the function with the parameters of arguments and keyword arguments, okay. And here we are just going to return whatever the result would be with the addition of, let's say, decorated, okay. And at the end we are just going to return our wrapper class. So let's just try to define the actual function, and let's say I am having a function with the name as title, which is going to just return simply Python developer, and I'm going to just print out simply here my function. You can see here Python developer decorated has been added here, right? So guys, you can just work on with this concept. So basically what we did, we have created out a title. We have passed out this title as a function parameter within our decorator function, which is add suffix. We have given here a wrapper function just to add the extra functionality, which is nothing but we are going to just add the decorated keyword here, right? So we have stored out the result whatever there would be within the function, title function within the result, and this result we have been added with decorated, and we have just returned out this wrapper function, right? And this wrapper functions we have been taken within the print, right, by just getting the title function calling within the print statement. So I hope you guys understood the concept to add suffix to return value.